Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Chrysler 300 spoiler is probably one of the most sought-after modifications for this iconic sedan, dramatically enhancing its aerodynamic profile and aggressive stance. In this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know before purchasing one, from understanding the different types of spoilers available to exploring the installation process and the impact on your vehicle's overall performance and aesthetics. Number 5. Brand Factory SRT Spoiler. This spoiler is custom-made to fit your 2012 to 2023 Chrysler 300. It's designed for a perfect, factory look. It comes painted in your choice of factory paint code, ensuring a seamless match to your vehicle. No need for extra painting. It's made from high-quality, OEM-grade ABS plastic for superior durability and a long-lasting finish. Installation is a breeze with the included hardware, gaskets, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need is in the box. It features strong metal inserts and high-quality bolts, washers, and lock washers for a secure and lasting fit. This spoiler is ready to be installed on your Chrysler 300, giving it an aggressive and stylish look. What we like. It's custom painted to match your car's factory color. This ensures a seamless, integrated look. If you value a perfect color match and simple installation, this is the spoiler for you. What people say. Super easy, perfect color match, and amazing quality. From having body shop experience, the install was quite easy. I used both screws and tape for mounting. The tape should be used either way you go, but using only the tape will be fine. Just make sure to prep the surface and clean with rubbing alcohol or lacquer thinner to make sure the tape sticks to the panel really well. It does come with 3-meter double-sided tape, which I thought was super nice cause it's really good stuff. Had this wing over 1 year now exactly, and I've got nothing but good things to say. The build is very sturdy and secure with the bolt-on design. The paint is also perfect match to my car's OEM paint, which is honestly such a big bonus since it's an exact match. I've gone through many car washes and still haven't seen any major scratches on the paint, so looks to be a very good quality one. This spoiler was easy to install and matches the color code perfectly. I used the double-sided tape and only drilled one center hole when mounting it. It has stayed in place and really finishes the look of the car. Number 4. ECOTRIC Chrysler 300 Spoiler. Upgrade your Chrysler 300's look with this stylish and functional rear spoiler. It's a direct replacement for your old or damaged one, and it's easy to install. This spoiler is specifically designed for the 2011 to 2023 Chrysler 300, 300C, and 300S models. It's a seamless and precise fit. It's made from high-quality, lightweight plastic for superior strength and durability. The matte black finish adds a touch of elegance. Installation is a breeze. No drilling is required, and it comes with all the necessary tape and instructions. You'll have it on in minutes. This spoiler not only enhances your car's appearance but also improves handling, fuel efficiency, and visibility at high speeds. It's the perfect blend of form and function. Your purchase includes one rear trunk spoiler wing and all the necessary installation materials, as shown in the pictures. What we like. It's a lightweight, matte black direct replacement. This means easy installation and a sporty look. If you are looking for a simple, stylish upgrade that's easy to install, this is a great choice. What people say. Fits as should. I bought this for my Chrysler 300 Touring and I spray painted it red to match my car. It's holding up very well. Amazing product. Number 3. KUAFU Rear Spoiler for Chrysler 300. This stylish spoiler is designed to enhance the look of your Chrysler 300. It's made from high-quality, durable materials and is easy to install. It's specifically designed to fit Chrysler 300, 300C, and 300S models from 2011 to 2023. Please double-check compatibility before purchasing. The spoiler features a sleek matte black finish that adds a touch of sportiness to your vehicle's rear end. It's pre-painted for a factory-like look. It improves airflow, reducing lift and enhancing grip on the road. This can lead to better handling and potentially improved fuel efficiency. It's constructed from high-strength ABS plastic, known for its heat, shock, and impact resistance. This ensures long-lasting durability. Installation is a breeze. It comes with 3M tape and instructions, making it a simple DIY project. No modifications are needed. What we like. This matte black spoiler is made from high-strength ABS plastic. It's designed for a secure fit and easy installation. If you prioritize durability and a hassle-free installation process, this is the one for you. What people say. Gloss black paint is high quality. Makes my Chrysler 300 look better. Easy to install. Number 2. Chrysler 300 spoiler. This spoiler is custom designed for your Chrysler 300, seamlessly integrating style and performance. It's the perfect upgrade to enhance your vehicle's look and feel. It's tailored specifically to fit your Chrysler 300 model from 2011 to 2021. Always double-check the fitment details to ensure compatibility. Made from high-quality ABS material, it's both durable and lightweight. The glossy black finish adds a touch of elegance to your car. It reduces drag and lift, improving fuel efficiency and stability at high speeds. Experience better handling and traction without adding significant weight. Installation is a breeze thanks to the pre-applied 3M tape. Just clean the area and apply it. Avoid washing your car for 48 hours after installation. We're here to help. Contact us anytime if you have questions or need assistance. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like. It comes in a sleek, glossy black finish and uses 3M tape for easy installation. It also enhances your car's aerodynamics. If you want a simple, stylish, and aerodynamic upgrade, this spoiler is perfect. Number 1. Carbon fiber spoiler for Chrysler 300. Upgrade your Chrysler 300's look with this stunning carbon fiber spoiler. It's designed to perfectly match your vehicle's style and enhance its sporty appeal. This spoiler is custom-made to fit seamlessly onto your 2011 to 2022 Chrysler 300, 300C, or 300S. Enjoy a precise and secure installation. Experience the superior quality and lightweight performance of real carbon fiber. It's built to last and adds a touch of luxury to your vehicle. For the best results, we recommend professional installation. It ensures a perfect fit and finish, maximizing its aesthetic impact. This spoiler is brand new and has never been installed before. It's ready to transform your Chrysler 300's appearance. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, you can return it within 30 days for a full refund. Contact us with any questions. What we like. It's made from real carbon fiber and has an OE-style design. This means a premium look and feel. If you're looking for a high-end, stylish upgrade, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The fit is good, appearance and carbon fiber finish is ultra-glossy. Seems to be a bit shorter or not as high overall as the original 300S model spoiler. Looks great and easy install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.